Hello class 6th, welcome back to your computer online classes. I am Rohit Singh and today we are going to start a new chapter. That is chapter number 4, more on PowerPoint. In your previous class you might have studied about PowerPoint. What is PowerPoint? So PowerPoint is an application software that is used to prepare presentations. Okay, so PowerPoint is used to make presentations, and the extensions to save the file of a PowerPoint is .ppt or .pptx. In this chapter we will explore more options given in PowerPoint software. So according to your book, your first topic is changing the slide layout. How you will change a slide layout. So basically what is a layout? Layout basically how a slide looks like. Here you can see that this is the page where I have two boxes, click to add title and click to add subtitle. This page is called layout of a slide. Okay, so in this page you can add a title and you can add a subtitle, but if you want to change this layout you will go to this tab home, and in home tab you have this layout button. You will press this layout button and here you have different type of layout like title slide, title and content, section header to content, comparison, title only, and lots of options are given here. Suppose I chose this title and content slide, so here I can put my title like introduction, and in this second box I can type my text. Okay, so you have multiple types of slide layout given in the PowerPoint. So according to your requirement you can choose any one layout. Okay, now inserting a new slide. How you will insert a new slide? On the home tab, just below this you have new slide option. You will click on new slide and a slide will enter in your presentation. Here I have two slides. If I again click, I have three, and if I again click I have four slides. And if you want to delete the slide, you will press right click and you will press on delete slide and your slide will be deleted. Okay, so in this way you can insert or delete a slide. Now we have inserting pictures. How you will insert a picture in a slide? So in this slide I have different options like inserting table, inserting chart, insert smart graphics, clip art, media clip, and here I have picture. So you will click on this picture, and in your computer where have you saved your picture, you will go to their place. Suppose I have a picture in pictures, so I will click on picture and I will select any picture and click on insert. So my picture will insert into my slide. Okay, I can resize my picture. मैं इसको छोटा बड़ा कर सकता हूँ according to my requirement. Okay, and you have lots of more option to change the look of your picture. Suppose here you have in format tab you have picture style. You can choose any style. Suppose I am choosing this oval, so your picture will look like into a oval. Okay, so you have picture effect. You can choose any effect from here like shadow, reflection, glow, soft edges, bevel, 3D rotation. You can choose any one of the option and your picture will change accordingly. Okay, so in this way you can insert a picture and you can format your picture. You can change the style of a picture. Okay, so this is all about how you insert the picture and you can change the style of a picture. Okay, So now your next topic is changing the theme. How you will change the theme of a slide. Okay, so change the theme of a slide. You will go on to the home button, and here, so you will go to the design design tab, and on design tab you have multiple types of theme here. Okay, like this on which theme you will click, your slide will change into that theme only. If I click here on this more button, more options will come, and according to my requirement, according to my presentation, I can choose any one of the theme. Okay, so theme से आपको benefit क्या होता है, आपकी जो slide होती है it will look more attractive. Okay, so if you want to change the color, fonts and effect of your slide, you can also do this. You will click on color, you can choose any one of the color from here, like here median, metro, module, opulent, oriel, origin. ठीक है, जो भी कलर आप चूज़ करना चाहें आप चूज़ कर सकते हैं. देन दी फॉन्ट, कैलिबरी, कैम्ब्रिया, टाइम्स न्यू रोमन, एरियल. ठीक है, तो जो भी आपको पसंद हो फॉन्ट, उस फॉन्ट को आप यहाँ से चूज़ कर सकते हैं. एंड द इफेक्ट. ओके, देयर आर मल्टीपल इफेक्ट. You can choose any one effect from this effect button. Okay, so next you have inserting clip art. How you will insert a clip art in your PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so we will do the same thing. We will click on the insert button, and insert button you have the option to insert a clip art. I will click on clip art, and on the right side of my PowerPoint, option of various clip art will come. So I will press go, and all the clip art which are available in my PowerPoint will come forward. So I can choose any type of clip art from here. I'll double click on the clip art, and here I have a clip art. So I can resize this also. मैं इसको छोटा बड़ा कर सकता हूँ according to my requirement. Okay, so this is how you insert a clip art into your presentation. Okay, then you have adding bullets and numbering. Okay, suppose you are typing something into your presentation, like, and if I want to add bullets, so how you will add the bullets? To add the bullets, you will go into the home tab. In the home tab, here you have this three dots. You will click on the dots, and different type of bullets will come to you. Okay, you will choose any type of bullet, and your bullet will come, and you can type here, and when you type enter, your second bullet will come. Okay, now if you want to enter numbering, so in the right side of bullets you have 1 2 3. You can choose any one of these, 1 2 3 in bracket, Roman numbers in capital and small. All the type of options are available here. Suppose I choose this, so it will come like A, then B, then C, then D. Okay, so from this home tab you can insert bullets and numbering in your presentation. Okay, so next is inserting a table. How you will insert a table? Okay, again I will go to the insert tab, and insert tab, in the first I have tables. So I will click on insert table. You will choose the number of columns and row. Okay, suppose I am taking 3 by 4 table, so I have 3 columns and 4 row in my presentation. Okay, now you can choose the style, different type of style given. Okay, here you have multiple type of style of a table. You can choose any one of the table from here, and your style of the table will change accordingly. Okay, from here you can also change the color of your table. You will click on theme color and you have multiple colors from here. So this is how you insert a table in PowerPoint. If you want to write, click on the any box and you can write your content into table. And if you want to resize this table, you can also do this. You can make this larger and smaller also. Okay, so you can change the color of a table, you can also change the font of your table, you can change also the size of your table, you can resize this also. आप इसको छोटा बड़ा भी कर सकते हैं. Okay, then your next topic is insert smart art graphics. So you will again go to the insert button, and insert button you have smart art. You will click on this smart art and various type of options are available here. You have list, you have process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramid. So according to your requirement you can choose any type of smart art graphics. Suppose I want to take pyramid, so I'll click on pyramid and I'll click on OK. So a pyramid is entered into my slide. So here if I want to enter text, suppose here I have entered 1, then 2 and then 3. So this is showing the level of my pyramid, level 1, level 2 and level 3. So pyramid, basically smart art you use to make your presentation more beautiful, more attractive. You can also resize the size of your smart art. You can minimize and maximize this also. Okay, so this is all depend what are your requirements. आपकी requirement क्या है, आप अपनी slides में क्या enter करना चाहते हैं. Okay, so next we have deleting a slide. वो आपको बता चुका हूँ पहले ही. deleting क्या करना है, आपको right click करना है slide को जाके और press करना है delete a slide और आपकी slide delete हो जाएगी. Okay, so this is enough for today. I think practice these options in your home if you have a computer. ठीक है, बाकी options हमारे पास बचे हैं animation, moving or rearranging slide, adding animation effects, running a slideshow. Okay, so with these options we will discuss in our next slide. अभी आपको इसमें कुछ ना समझ आए, जितने options हमने अभी तक देखे हैं, तो you can ask in chat box में आप comment कर सकते हैं. I'll try to explain you in next class. Okay, till then practice these options at your home and read the content from your book. Till then, take care.